Right, thanks for that nice introduction. It's a pleasure to be here. So today I want to give you a little bit of an insight into the technology that we are employing at Axelera AI and that we have also developed there. Before we delve into the technological aspects, I want to sketch a little bit the context in which we operate, so which kind of markets we target and so on. And here the thing is that we are really focused on the edge. And edge is usually ill-defined, but it's defined by exclusion. So everything that is not cloud computing is edge computing. And we take it really in this really broad definition. So including the thick edge, the thin edge, and then even the endpoints, the end devices there. So focusing really on the edge with broad solution there, but also for different kind of market verticals. So here there are some that we are targeting, for example, retail applications, which is for automatic checkout, for example, or like looking at inventory management. But we're also looking at agricultural, making sure that the crop is properly monitored and pest control, for example, industrial applications. In this case, it's like quality control. But also worker safety management, PPE detection. And we have actually a demo here at our booth that showcases what we can do with computer vision to really detect the right kind of PPE. Security is another one, really surveillance or traffic kind of monitoring. Healthcare applications, where we want to do real-time analytics based on sensorial input that we get from all kinds of sensors. And then, of course, finally, a well-known topic, autonomous driving and everything that is around it. So these are kind of the applications that we are targeting. And when you look at the history of compute, there's always been a kind of a pendulum where it goes from like more distributed computing towards more centralized computing. And definitely in the last 2 decades, there's been a strong push towards more compute towards the cloud. But what we also see with AI applications is that currently there's a strong demand for AI at the edge. And that has everything to do with the kind of all the data that is processed there. And people want to have some privacy there. They also are concerned about energy consumption of all these kind of applications that we have there. And cost, of course, is a major driver. So we see this push towards the edge now, but the edge, of course, also comes with a lot of constraints. Usually, there's energy constraints, lower amount of resources. People have strong cost demands and so on. So we need to have and come up with a solution that can deal with all those constraints. And that's why we have been working and developing in our company a new kind of product that works with also a new kind of technology, which is digital in-memory computation.